Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our new topic is today next 10 Roman numerals. How to write next 10 Roman numerals. Now we write to next 10 Roman numerals. Next 10 Roman numerals with the help of ancient Roman rules. With the help of ancient Roman rules. These are Arabic numbers up to 20. Now we write Roman numbers. Now we write Roman numerals with the help of Roman rules. With the help of Roman rules. 10. Add 1 is equal 11 is equal 11. 10 add 1 is equal 11. 10 add 2 is equal 12 is equal 12. 10 I 2 is equal 12 plus 3 is equal 13. In Roman rules, 10 1 2 3 is equal 13. 10 अब हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे. 10 plus 4 it's around. Now we write 10 plus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. 4 plus 10 is equal 14. In Roman rules, 10 according to this 5 subtracted 1 from the left side in Roman rules is equal 14 is equal 14. 10 plus 1 10 plus 5 is equal 15. 10 V is equal 15 plus 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे. 10 plus 6 it's around. 10 V in Roman numeral V is equal to 5. From the right side 1 add 16. 1 add is equal to 16. 17 plus 5 plus 2 in Roman rule 10 is equal to 17 plus 5 plus 3 18 plus 10 plus 9 it's around. हम इसे ऐसे लिखेंगे plus 10 minus 1. In Roman rules left side I it's a 19. 10 plus 20 in Roman rule x is equal 10 and 10. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक कर दें, सब्सक्राइब के बटन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि मेरी आने वाली नई वीडियो आपको जल्द से जल्द मिल चुके। आगे लाइक करें, शेयर करें। ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।